In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from a Bitget wallet to your Bitget Exchange. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up your Bitget app and log into your account. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you up to 6,200 USDT and welcome bonuses. Once you logged into your account, you're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on Assets, which is this little wallet icon. From here, up at the top, we're going to tap on Spot. And here we're going to tap on Add Funds. We're going to pick the first option, which is Deposit Crypto. On this list, we're going to look for USDT. We can also just use the search bar and type in USDT. Now this is super important. We got to pick the network we want to send our USDT on. I usually recommend using the Binance Smart Chain or the BEP20 network or Polygon because they have the cheapest fees. And for this example, we'll use Polygon. And this is your USDT wallet address under the Polygon network. We're going to go to these two squares to copy. Now we're going to open up our Bitget wallet and log into our account. Once we've done that, we're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the wallet icon. From here, we're going to tap on Send. Search for USDT in the search bar. And now we're going to look for our USDT under the Polygon network, which is this one right here. As you can see under network, it says Polygon. And right here under receiving address, we're going to paste in our Bitget Exchange address, enter the amount that we want to send from our Bitget wallet to our Bitget Exchange. And here is the gas fee for the transaction. After you confirmed everything is correct, we're just going to tap on confirm. And after you confirm the deposit, you should receive your USDT in your Bitget Exchange within a couple of minutes. And that's how to transfer USDT from Bitget wallet to Bitget Exchange. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like.